The Valley of Flowers blooms in vibrant colors, a living canvas of over 100 species. Each petal whispers of renewal. Each breeze carries the fragrance of harmony between man and nature. As the sun sets behind the world's tallest statue, nature reminds us of its timeless embrace. The Statue of Unity is not just a tribute to a leader, it is a celebration of the land, the river, and the living world that surrounds it.